Are you looking for a teacher appreciation gift or a holiday gift for all of the teachers that your children have? Then I have a winner for you. I was gifted this 12 pack of sticky note holders. So you get 12 holders and 12 different sticky notes. And I will say these come in a bunch of different versions, so check that out. You can also get these in different colorways. They also come with these bags, so you are ready to gift. Look at this. What I would do is I would either sign your child's name on the back, put a little note on the back, or even put a little card in here. A gift card would be really nice. Everyone loves a gift card in addition to a little thinking of you gift, but just alone. This is a great gift. So they have these cute little sayings on them. And I just think they are so cute. They're giving me like, whoops, this one's upside down. They're giving me vibes of like the old little chalkboards that you would have, or maybe like even the chalkboards that you see at a restaurant. But so cute, just such a clever gift. And these are usable for years to come because once this sticky note is all finished and you've used all the pages, you just refill it. So let's put these around and see what they look like in action. Well, this just brightens my day and makes my coffee even more delicious. So again, I was gifted the 12 pack with 12 different styles, 12 of the colorful sticky notes, and the clear bags that they go into. These are so engaging, and it's just really the ideal and simple appreciation gift to just show that you care. Perfect for Christmas, for Teacher Appreciation Week, for the end of the year, and just for all of the occasions because your teacher is special. I'll link them below.